Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook New Zealand mussels. Start with the freshest New Zealand mussels, ensuring their shells are tightly closed. Give them a good scrub under cold, running water to remove any grit. Don't forget to debeard them by pulling the fibrous attachment towards the hinge. This simple preparation ensures your mussels are clean and ready for cooking, setting the stage for a delicious meal. Discard any mussels that remain open after tapping. Steaming is a fantastic way to cook New Zealand mussels, preserving their delicate flavor. In a large pot, add about 1 cup of your chosen liquid, perhaps white wine or a light beer, and bring it to a rolling boil. Then, add your cleaned mussels, cover tightly, and steam for just 5 to 7 minutes. They'll be perfectly cooked when all the shells have opened. To elevate your mussels, consider sautéing aromatics like minced garlic or shallots in olive oil before adding the mussels. Fresh herbs such as parsley or cilantro, added at the end, bring a vibrant freshness. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the dish, while a pat of butter can add a luxurious finish to your steaming liquid, creating a delightful sauce. Serve your perfectly cooked New Zealand mussels immediately, ensuring everyone gets to enjoy them hot. Don't forget to include plenty of the flavorful broth, as it's perfect for dipping with crusty bread. A sprinkle of fresh chopped herbs adds a lovely finish. These succulent mussels, perhaps paired with a crisp white wine, make for a truly memorable and easy-to-prepare meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.